Hello everyone, name is Solomon Yao, and I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to earn a new crypto coin called Wibx. Okay, it was a new Wibx is a new cryptocurrency that was developed in Brazil, and it was purposely developed for for the retail industry. Okay, so um, it uses actually Wibx is a crypto coin that uses blockchain technology, and in this tutorial I'm gonna be teaching you how to earn this coin. Okay, what you actually have to do is you have to share advertisements on social media, okay, to earn this coin. And then when you earn this coin, you can convert this coin into other cryptocurrency or into fiat money, or you can also shop with this crypto coin. There has been a shopping or an e-commerce platform that was developed by the founders of this crypto coin. Okay, and that platform is called WiBOO. It's a shopping mall whereby you can use this coin Wibx to shop online, to buy any goods or services online on the WiBOO platform. So first, what we have to do is let's kickstart this tutorial by going to Play Store. You go to Play Store and then you search for Wibx. Okay, search for Wibx, and then you can see Wibx WiBOO. So you click on the Wibx WiBOO app, and then you can see I've already installed this app. So what you do is you install it and then you open it. Okay, so you open it, you see the logo with a frog, Wibx crypto jumping coin. Yeah, that's the logo for it. And then automatically the WiBOO platform, shopping platform or e-commerce platform, opens automatically, so you can see the products and services that has been displayed. You can add to cart, you can buy products using this coin. So what you have to do first is you have to click on the tab at the top left corner. Okay, you click on that tab, and then you click on that account, and then you sign up. You click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, you enter your details, name, country. Okay, you click on country, you select your country, and then you enter your CPF number. Your CPF number is your national identification number, which is on your national identification card. Okay, so that's it. So you enter those details, and then you click continue, and then you complete the registration process. So what I'm gonna do next is I go back, and then I sign in. Okay, I sign in, I enter my details, and then I sign in. So you can see I've signed in. So the WiBOO platform has also opened again. But what you do is you click on that tab again. Okay, and then you can see a shopping sign at the top corner. You can see a share sign, a folder sign up there. So you click on that folder sign. When you click on that folder sign, your wallet opens. Yeah, so that's my wallet, that's the amount, my balance, and that's the value. The current quote is the current value of Wibx, which is 0.1678 Brazilian dollars. Okay, and that's my name, and you can see some alphanumeric digits down there, and that's my that's my address, the address that you can send me Wibx through. Okay, So this is my wallet. You can see shopping, fidelity, order, engagement, receive, and transfer. Transfer is when you want to transfer funds to other users on the platform. You transfer Wibx to other users on the platform. Receive is when you click on receive. Okay, let me click on receive. You click on receive. Okay, you can see that's my address. Okay, this is the address that I have to share to other people so that they send me Wibx. Okay, so let's go back, and then you can see you click on order. When you click on order, I didn't order any products. Okay, so there's nothing there. And for transfer, when you click on transfer, okay, I have to do a multi-factor authentication before I can send Wibx to other users. So I have to enable that before that could work. So let me go back again, and then let me go to transactions. Okay, transactions are the transfer that I did. Okay, I did some transfer from a different account into another account. Okay, so these are Wibx received by me from another wallet. Okay, so that's it. So let me go back again, and then you click on blockchain. Blockchain is values that will be synchronized with the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, when normally what goes on here is that whenever you share advertisements, it is registered on the blockchain, so those transactions will be displayed over here. So that's what it means. So let me go back again. Okay, so let's go to the main concept here. So fidelity is where you share advertisements and then you earn Wibx. So let me click on fidelity. You click on fidelity, and then you can see share now the ads to win Wibx. Okay, so you share ads to get Wibx. So let me click on most recent ads. Okay, most recent ads. It's refreshing, so let's wait. Okay, so these are recent ads that has been published on the platform. Okay, so you click on any of those pictures, which are advertisements. So don't worry, everything is written in Portuguese. Okay, that's the language that is used in Brazil. Okay, so you can see that's the cost of the product. Okay, and you can see one by Facebook, one by Twitter, one by WhatsApp. So you can see that you can share with Facebook, you can share on Twitter and WhatsApp. So you go down there, and then you share. You click on share. When you click on share, you see another page opens, and then you can see the Facebook sign, the WhatsApp sign, and then the Twitter sign. So I'm going to click on the WhatsApp sign to share this advertisement. So you click on WhatsApp, and when you click on WhatsApp, okay, you can share this ad to anyone or any page on WhatsApp. Okay, to end this screen. So let me go back. I'm not going to share this ad, but these are the options you can share on Facebook and stuff like that. So let me go back. When you share the ads, after you share the ads, you go back, and then you go back to your wallet. So when you share your advertisement, you click on engagement, and when you click on engagement, okay, when you click on engagement, the transactions that you did, the engagement means all the advertisement that you shared. Okay, all those advertisements will be recorded. Okay, and then you can see the amount that you've won. You can see I won 5 Wibx, 5 Wibx, 5 Wibx, 5 Wibx, 10 Wibx, 1 Wibx. Okay, so you can see that so these ads are active. Okay, so after sharing these ads, these are where this is where every record is going to be recorded. Every engagement is going to be recorded. So after that, you go back to your wallet, and then actually there is no feature for you to convert your Wibx into other cryptocurrencies or fiat money. That feature has not yet been incorporated into the system. It's going to be incorporated, but not yet. It has not yet been incorporated into the system. So you cannot convert your cryptocurrency or Wibx into other cryptocurrencies. But a feature that's already in the platform is where you can shop with the crypto coin. Okay, so you can click on shopping, and then when you click on shopping, you can see there are different products that you can purchase. Okay, so I'm going to click on, let me see, clothing. Okay, so these are the clothes, and they are in the cost of those clothing are in Brazilian dollars. Okay, so you add to cart. Let me add one product to cart. So you click add to cart, and then when you add to cart, you click on the cart sign. Okay, so when you click, you can see the product, okay, and the price. Then you click on choose payment method. When you click on choose payment method, you can see my account balance, okay, and the tax that I'm supposed to pay, total Wibx order. So I'm supposed to buy the product with 149 Wibx. Okay, so you click on choose pay with Wibx, and then you're good to go. So I think this is the end of my tutorial. So you can just go on Play Store and then install the app, share advertisements, and then you win Wibx, you earn Wibx. Okay, but actually let me go back to my wallet. Okay, actually you can see that my balance is huge. Actually I bought this coin a year ago. Okay, I bought it when it was in an ICO stage. Okay, I bought it at 0.40 cents. I bought it 40 cents. Okay, so that's why my account is huge. Okay, but when you share your ads, okay, your balance is going to accumulate. So that's the end of this presentation, and I hope it really helped.